just to quote from that official transcript sent to us yesterday, you said, meron din po tayo natanggap na mga report, Pinky, na as much as $1,000 ang pinamigay dito sa Presscon. Hindi ko na lang papangalanan yung aking source, pero mayroon daw pinagbibigyan ng ganitong kalaking halaga. So kung may pinagbigyan, may tumanggap.
Okay. Let me tell you about this, Marlon. I'm a Bisaya. I grew up in Cagayan de Oro. I also grew up in Surigao, and my Tagalog may not be as perfect as your Tagalog. So, let's put it at that.
Okay.
Pero doon sa dulo, sinabi I categorically say, di ba? I said that doon sa dulo ng tanong po ni Pinky Web, nandito. I said, I cannot categorically say na galing kay Senador Trillanes, basta ang sabi lang po ng aking source dyan sa Senado na mayroong pera na ganoon na umiikot, pero I would also like to categorically say na hindi naman sinabi kung tinanggap yung pera na yan. So, para po dun sa mga binubusisi yung aking Tagalog, pasensya na po at ako ay Bisaya, hindi po ako magaling sa... mas magaling ako mag-Bisaya kaysa mag-Tagalog.
Okay, sir, pero before you mentioned that during the interview, did you make any validation on the information given to you, or
I was also a reporter like you, Marlon, and the same way that you validate your stories, I also validate mine. Thank you.
Thank you, Marlon.
Sir, natanong niyo po, sir, bakit?
I'm sorry? There was validation that happened. Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay yung intelligence report na natanggap ko. Yun lang po sinasabi ko. Now, of course, I have to...
Sir, during your validation, Secretary, did you ask bakit dollars pa yung denomination? But
hindi ko po tinanong.
As a reporter, di ba, parang ikaw rin ba? Unusual for...
Hindi ko po tinanong yon. Hindi ko po tinanong. Well, siguro, I don't know kung bakit dolyar. Hindi ko alam.
And for each reporter, hindi para buo
hindi ko sinabi na each reporter. Ang sinabi po sa intelligence report sa akin ay $1,000 ang umiikot. So that's 50,000 pesos.
Yes.
Bakit naliliitan ka ba, Joseph, sa $1,000? Hindi, sabi mo kasi for everyone. Well, you know, $1,000 is $1,000 and hindi po lahat eh.
Ito lang, Secretary. Sir, pardon me for asking this. Pero you keep on harping on na there's a plot to unseat the very popular President Duterte. When, in fact, Secretary Jun Esperon and SND Secretary Lorenzana already shut down those allegations. Well, ano po yung basis on when the two of the highest security officials of the government are saying na hindi totoo, walang ganyan?
Alam mo kasi, Marlon, siguro merong mga reports na hindi po nakakarating sa lahat. So, merong mga intelligence reports na no, well, you know, it's classified. I mean, they're classified reports, di ba? Meron din mga hindi kina-classify na report. May mga ganun eh. At hindi, wag mo kaming pagsabungin, Marlon. Wag mo sabihin because again, you will write something and you say, ito sabi ni Andanar. Walang ganun. Basta kami, meron kami sa cabinet, meron kaming information na natatanggap na sinasabi din namin because we're open, we're very transparent.
Kaya sir, hindi ko kayo pinagsasabong, sir. I'm just asking for clarification.
Yun ang parang lumalabas, Marlon eh.
But, sa perception
walang ganyanan.
Wala, hindi naman po.
Walang ganyan.
Okay, thank you,
Galing
Mark.
din kayo sa media, alam niyo rin po yun.
Alam ko naman yun.
Let
me ask you, are you fair to everything that you write?
Yes.
How about your post on social media?
That's my personal.
Oh, exactly. Okay. But as a reporter, you are an ambassador of your newspaper.